Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, hello.
We hit 70 subscribers. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Onyii. I hope you stick around, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification. Okay, join the family. So today is Sunday. We are still in Enugu. We are currently in Enugu state. Yesterday was Democracy Day. Are we? Democracy Day. So yesterday was Democracy Day and everything went on fine. Yesterday was Saturday, but tomorrow is gonna be a public holiday. It's currently 5:44 p.m. and we're just driving around Enugu town. I'm here with my baby, my husband. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, hello.
So yeah, that is up. And I just say let me start this vlog.
Cold sweats in the middle of the night and flashbacks of you and I in your sweats. How'd you make me feel so nice? Now I'm starting to see this new guy, but it just don't feel right, even though he might be. And you're so bad for me, but I want your love every morning, waking up with him, but I wish you'd call me. I still miss our street. Like your come over text at midnight, rolling out of bed for your life.
So I'm about to loosen this hair. This hair is just, today is the 6th day that I made this hair, but I've been in so much pain ever since I made this hair. Like my head is literally aching me. It has been aching me since. So usually when I make hair, I know that I can't, like I have low tolerance for pain. So usually when I make hair, I give it like 3-4 days and it stops paining me. But this one, today is the 6th day and this is still paining me as if I just finished making my hair today. So I'm just going to like take it out. The hair is still very new and it's so beautiful, but I can't endure this pain anymore. I mean, I know I prayed for this and the hair is still fine, and everybody's telling me I should give it time, give it time. Give it time for how long, Kwan? Like I literally feel like my head is on fire. And usually when I make hair and it's bad like this, I usually just lose it immediately, because I mean that's just me. That I just have to take this out though. I mean I waited after 4 days, just to paining me. I just kept saying that it's going to stop, it's going to stop, but today's own it has been like, it's just too much for me, I beg. So I'm just going to take it out and allow my hair to rest. I mean, the vlog where I made the hair, I haven't even gone up. Oh my god, you might not understand, but I beg, pain is not for me. And the place that is paining me the most is this middle, like this center area where they did this design. I cannot use my money to buy pain. It doesn't happen that way. We're supposed to use money to enjoy life, not to buy pain. This is extreme pain.
How'd you make me feel so nice? Now I'm starting to see this new guy, but it just don't feel right, even though he might be. And you're so bad for me, but I want your love every morning, waking up with him, but I wish you'd call me. I still miss our street. Like
You guys, oh, I feel so much better. I feel so much better right now. Like, I feel so much better. When I still had the braids, I felt like my head was on fire. Like, my head was literally banging. Oh god. But now I feel so relieved. Like, so relieved. The only thing now is at that center where they did that style or something, like where they did that pattern, it's still like I still feel a slight pain there, but I'm sure it will go before tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's been more than 1 week since the last clip you just saw, but it's fine. I needed to take the break, so I have a few good news. First of all, you guys, we hit 750 subscribers. God, I'm so grateful to every one of you. Like, this channel makes me so happy. I didn't even know I was ever going to get to this point, to be honest. Like, as of January, I had just 100 subscribers, so this is very huge for me. So I'm grateful and I'm thankful to each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, and I hope you continue to enjoy my content. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. I'm really grateful. And another thing is, I told you guys in my last vlog, I showed you guys the books I ordered from Jumia, and I told you guys that once I start reading them, I'm going to like tell you guys what I think about the book. So I'm almost done with this one, and so far I love this book. Like, oh my god, if you've not read this book, you really need to get it and read. Like, whether it's a soft copy or the actual hard copy, it's a very like, if you're in your 20s, because I feel like everybody in their 20s, you have some kind of struggle you're dealing with. When you're in your 30s, I just believe that you kind of have your life figured out. But we that are still in our 20s, there are a lot of what ifs, and in fact there are a lot of am I sure this is what I'm supposed to be doing? Am I sure of what I'm doing? Am I sure this is where I'm supposed to be? Like, there is so many am I sure, what if, am I sure, like, I'm always second guessing, and it's a lot. But you guys really need to read this book. This is a good book, really. It's a really good book, and it's not this video is not sponsored in any way. I'm just giving you guys my honest opinion. I'm not going to go into details about what the book is talking about, but just know that it's a really good book that, like, I think everybody should read. I don't want to give the spoilers because of people that have not read it. There are people that don't like spoilers of whether books or movies, so I'm not going to give any spoilers. But anyway, that's all for the book. By the way, I got this pen as a gift. You guys, I love collecting I love collecting fancy pens. I don't know why. Like, I just like having a collection of fancy pens. It's not like I'm writing a lot with it, because most of the time I'm always typing with my computer or my phone. But I just like having fancy pen with me. Like, anything fancy I can use and write or draw. I always love having it. So I got this one as a gift. But anyway, that's it for all those ones. And updates on my hair. My hair have finally healed. Like, in my last clip, I told you guys I had injury this center area because of that hair that I loosened. So, but the hair is properly healed now. Like, it's been like more than 1 week since I loosened that hair, so my hair is good to go. But I really don't know what I'm going to do with my hair this time around, but let's see how it goes. I just said, let me tell you guys that the injury is gone. The injury is gone. I just washed it, and like, I left it like that. I didn't even pack it. I just left my hair scattered like that. It was even this morning that I packed this thing so that I will look presentable, so that I will not look like a bad woman on camera. So yeah, that's that. So this book, if you're interested in getting this book, I got it for 2,150 from Jumia. The link to get it and other books are in my description box. So just anything you need to get, anything I show on my video that you need, the link is always in my description box, so you guys check them out. That's it for the updates. I'm about to go and bake now. Like, for the past 2 weeks Yeah, for the past 2 weeks I've just been procrastinating. I've been saying I'm going to bake cookies, I'm going to bake, but I always, once it's time to start baking, I'll tell myself I should leave it till tomorrow. Like, I've just been procrastinating. Procrastination has never been my thing. I don't know why I'm procrastinating all of a sudden, but I think after getting this my much needed rest, which I got, I think I'm so full of energy right now. So we're heading to the kitchen now to bake, so let's go.
It's sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many.
So I'm done with the cookies. They're not even the same shape, like some are bigger than others. Upon I use that distance to measure it. But so you guys, I'm done baking and it tastes so nice. Well, it's not hard and it's not soft, like it's just crunchy and then it's soft. I don't know how to explain it, Shawa. I'm really so proud of myself. Like, so you guys, I think that'll be the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Remember to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification. Also, drop your comments in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.
Reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late